Today, we're going to build Discovery 1 using 7 Lego pieces. These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs. We're going to start with this antenna piece. Now the antenna piece is going to be like the long body of Discovery 1. And what I want to do next is grab this 1x1 round plate with open stud. And I want that open stud because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that plate and just slide it onto my bar so it goes into the center of my antenna. And that's going to be like the thicker middle end that's got the radar dish sticking up. That's where I'll make it a little bit thicker than the rest of the bar. And now to kind of create the round front of Discovery 1, I'm going to grab this Technic ball joint and just stick the Technic ball joint onto the end of that bar, and when you stick it in, it's nice and secure, not going to fall off, and you've kind of got the body of Discovery 1, and all we have to do now is create that rectangular engine and back. And to do that, I'm going to grab a 1x2 jumper plate and a 1x2 plate. And I'm just going to put that jumper plate on top of the plate, and that creates like the rectangular back. And for the engines, now in the film it had 3 engines, but we're going to do 2 because this is in micro scale. So I'm going to get 2 more of these 1x1 round plates with open stud, and I'm going to put them into the back of the 1x2 plate. Now the reason I'm doing the open studs is because I like the hollowed look. It looks more like the engines that kind of throw out the power as it propels the spaceship through the abyss. But once it is connected, I've got that center stud. I'm going to attach it to my antenna piece. And here is a completed Discovery 1 from 2001, A Space Odyssey. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.